Prasanna's
Cuisine.
gongura pasta curry. 2 tablespoon watermelon seeds. 10 cashews. Add little water and make paste. Keep aside. 2 chopped tomatoes. Grind to paste. Keep aside. In a pan add 2 tablespoon oil. 4 green chili. 2 bunch washed gongura. 5 garlic. Cook till soft. Cool. Mash. Keep aside. Take water in a bowl. Add salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 cup pasta. Cook till soft. Strain water and wash with cold water and keep aside. In a pan add 4 tablespoon oil. (1/2 tsp cumin. 2 chopped onions and green chili. Fry. One adds ginger garlic paste. Tomato paste. Cashew paste. Salt as per taste. 1/2 tsp turmeric. 2 tsp red chili powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. Cover and cook till oil separate. 1 tsp kajuri methi. Add gongura paste. Cover till oil separate. Add 1 glass water. Add pasta. Cook for 2 minutes. Add coriander. Gongura pasta is ready. Thanks for watching.